Get me out your loving, build a fundament. Came without a warning, risked it all for nothing. Broke down all my walls, said you're going all in, Tell me why, try to fight.
Hi friends, it's Nathan, a third-year pharmacy student studying at the University of Waterloo. Welcome to the channel, welcome back to our channel. You guys don't know how long I've been waiting to say that. I've missed this community so much. You guys have been asking, where's Nathan, where's Nathan? And truthfully, this summer has just been hectic. I've been traveling lots, my internship has been crazy busy, but we're back. We're back for this new semester. And so this video is gonna be how to set yourself up for success for the new school year. I'm gonna show you how I create my famous and viral study schedule, how I set up my planner, develop new habits, organize, and just get everything in check so that we can hit September with a bang and really make this our best school year yet. Without further ado, let's just get back into it. Let's get into our productive selves. So the first thing we all have to do is to check our school email. There's a bunch of important information about logistics, classes, professors, and so we want to be prepared, know what's going on. That is the very first step. And while I go through my emails, I'm going to be eating breakfast. I'm currently at home, so let's see what my parents have made me. Oh, that is so good. So we have to have our McDonald's iced coffee. Then we have croissants with cucumber, tomato, egg, and avocado topped with some laugama chili crisps. And then we have fruit. So we have orange, banana, and peaches. So I'm just finishing up with my emails, but last week I actually reached out to a bunch of my professors asking if the first week of class has any mandatory elements that I need to attend, because my sister is actually flying from Hong Kong back to Toronto to get her marriage paper signed, which is really exciting. And I want to be there for as long as possible to celebrate with her and just spend quality time because I haven't seen her in a while. If I don't need to be in class, I'm not going to be in class. Turns out I actually have to be there on the 6th and the 7th of September. So I think I'm going to probably move in on the 4th, which is a long weekend. And then I'll have a day to settle in. And then I'll come back out after my lab and celebrate with her in Toronto. A lot of logistics that need to be planned, but I definitely recommend reaching out to your professors if you also have alternate arrangements that are coming back from travel. Really, they don't bite, and it's just good to know so that you can plan accordingly. So now we're going to create our study schedule. And this is one of my favorite parts of preparation because I'm an organized freak and I live a very busy lifestyle, and I know many of you guys do as well. This study schedule is more than just when to take classes or when to study. It incorporates every single hour of the day, taking into account personal time, working out, jobs, all that stuff. I'm gonna show you a high-level overview of me making it today, but if you want a dedicated video on making it from scratch, the science behind it, the logic, really how to maximize it, go check out the video linked above here. It's actually one of my very first viral videos, so it's something that I live by and have been doing ever since and probably will continue for the rest of my life. So let's get into it now. So this is the template that I built, and I will link this below in the description box for you. But essentially, I have my day starting at 6 and ending at 10. Now you can change this to whatever you want. And then I have Monday to Sunday here. Before we input our classes in, we're going to set up our non-negotiables. So things like waking up, our meal times, showering, if we want to sleep or work out, all things like that first. I give myself a generous 1 hour with these non-negotiables because any leftover time can be used as organic breaks. So this is the timetable given to me from my school, and we're basically going to input this into our study schedule. Now, granted, I don't go to every single class. I really just go to the mandatory one. Some lectures I don't attend because I can just do them online. And so there's a bit of flexibility in how I want to arrange this. So here's a tip for you. If you have online classes or you know whether you're a morning worker or a night worker, allocate that time appropriately. So for my therapeutics classes, I know that material is intense, it's hard, it's challenging, and so I'm gonna schedule it in the morning when my brain is at its sharpest. Versus my electives, which are a little bit more laid back, I'm gonna set them for the afternoon. You get a little bit tired after eating, and so I can maximize my efficiency like that. During my class time, I'm either attending an in-person lecture or learning the material by making my Anki cards. So now that all our classes are added in, we're gonna add in our personal time. So that's things like working out, a part-time job, extracurriculars, social time, all that stuff that is super important, just as important as school, that you wanna input in there now. And now we're gonna fill up the rest of the schedule with study time, as well as a specific category called catch-up, which I'll explain during the time lapse. Weekends are for studying Anki cards, and catch-up blocks are placed strategically before my weekend study days. And this is the completed study schedule. It looks so good, I'm so proud of it. And everything is color-coded. For example, study time, we're working on ourselves, building our knowledge, so it's green. Catch-up time, it's alert, so it's red, and so on, depending on what the course actually is. If you guys have never made a study schedule, I highly encourage you to give it a try. Again, the template is linked below. Just follow it exactly, customize it, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I will answer them, but this has saved me so many times, and I don't know what I would do without it. Hi friends, it's Future Nathan. How are we liking the editing style of this video so far? I really wanted to make a video that was fun and engaging, especially for back to school. And so this entire video is being edited with Filmora, which is a video editing tool with really cool features that are built in and easy to use. And with Filmora 12 launching its back to school effects pack, which is everything you saw from the cute details in the beginning of the video to the avatar presentation, I really see myself elevating my video style as well as my academic work. The avatar presentation was actually one of my favorites to use. You know, I do a lot of time lapses in my study vlogs, and being able to explain what I'm studying or even provide tips through the avatar is really convenient and engaging. And for school, I could definitely see myself using Filmora for my presentation. I do case studies every week, so having my avatar actually explain all of that background information, their history, the onset of symptoms, the severity, before I actually deliver my treatment guide would be a really cool way to frame my case. Our patient is suffering from moderate nausea, so as her pharmacist, we want to provide some anti-nausea medications so that she's comfortable on her chemotherapy. And with back to school, we're going to be doing a lot of introductions rather than having to record ourselves. Hi, my name is Nathan. I'm from Toronto. I did blank this summer. Why not actually use the avatar feature to explain what you did on photos and videos and actually have that as more of a collage view? Hi everyone, my name is Nathan. I study pharmacy, and this summer I was an intern. I love traveling, so there's me on a beach in Punta Cana. And lastly, I'm an education YouTuber. And doing that will definitely make you stand out and possibly get those brownie points for your professor. I always choose to use video format with any project because I'm good at it, I have the creative eye, and teachers love it. Trust me, it is something unique. Definitely check out Filmora for some of your project work and presentations. I think it could really elevate it and make you stand out in the class. We're gonna continue with the preparation, but enjoy the video style, and I'll see you in a bit. It's time for lunch now, so let's see what my parents have cooking downstairs. It's probably gonna be a simple meal. For lunch, we have some homemade herbal tea and some garlic bread with some fried fish. Okay guys, so a package just arrived, and yes, I did do a little bit of back to school clothes shopping. Not a necessity, but definitely something to get you excited about the school year. And so I picked up some clothes from Textile, which actually has a lot of very functional and just simple pieces. I picked up a lot of polos because I'm obsessed with polos these days. I definitely could see myself wearing this at one of my professional labs. So when I have my white coat, it gets really hot. So it's really breathable, moisture wicking, and just look confident and professional to provide my patient consultations. So we have a lot happening for dinner. I'm going to explain each one. We have some Chinese vegetables in a bean curd sauce. Then we have some spare ribs in a black bean sauce. This is some steak and it's cold, so we're going to dip it in the wasabi and soy sauce. And then we have some of my mom's homemade soup, and then we have fried rice. Gotta look fresh for the first day of school. I'm on my way to a hair appointment, and we're just gonna get this trimmed up, and it'll be easier to manage. It'll be more breathable because it's still hot in the September. And yeah, so I'll show you guys the before and after.
Wrapped in sugar coating, place it in your hand, let you have your moment. Always let me lonely with with a bitter taste. Tell me what you long.
So this is what the hair looks like after the cut. Really happy with it. I just need to go home, take a shower, rinse it all out, and then we're good to go. Look how round the moon is. This is what happens during the lunar season. Just got home, so I thought I would show you again in better lighting what the cut looks like. Overall, again, really, really happy with it. So I'm gonna shower and I'll see you afterwards. So this is the hair, all cleaned. It has the volume, it has the texture. I will admit it was pretty greasy and oily and nasty when I was getting it cut. So yeah, looks really, really good. And I just feel so confident going back to school looking like this. Now I'm gonna show you what my nighttime routine is, what my skincare is. We definitely don't wanna have any breakouts or minimize and really cleanse the skin, keep it healthy and glowing for that first day. Let me show you what products I use. I'm gonna do some editing now, and if you saw my study schedule, I actually put a block in for dedicated editing time in my evenings, and so the only way to really make sure that that sticks is to start implementing those habits now, and so we're gonna do some editing. I know this is video inception because it's filmed from the morning, but I want to show you how I'm adding all these cute effects in Filmora. So in the effects tab, I'm gonna search up Class Pass, which is part of their back to school bundle. Now, all of these are student themed, which is super cute, and it's great for my study vlogs as well as for presentations. So because this is an intro clip, I think I'm gonna use this one that looks like an actual meeting. Let's see how it looks. Hi friends, it's Nathan, 8th third year. Oh, it looks so good. It actually looks like I just joined a meeting. And in this upcoming clip, it looks like I'm giving a lecture. Look at it. So now we're going to create our study schedule. And this is one of my favorite parts of preparation. Professor Nathan. Would you wait for me, my love? What if our hope made of cards didn't have to fall apart? Would you stay with me, my love? Editing is so much fun, and Filmora's Back to School Effects Pack has really allowed me to explore my creativity that much more. So if you're a student looking to level up your videos, level up your presentations, definitely give Filmora a try. I will link them below, and they currently have their back to school offer, so you want to take advantage of all these neat effects and avatars. It has been a long day of preparations, but we're going to start winding down the night because we really want to make sure that we are sleeping at an appropriate time when school begins. I personally want to sleep at 10, and so starting that now will allow me to transition it really easily when the school year comes. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and then start dimming down the lights and really getting the melatonin going in my body. Okay, I'm finally going to bed. I am exhausted, but I'm really glad that I was able to film this preparation video for you. I genuinely feel so much better now than I did at the beginning of the day. I feel ready. I feel motivated. I feel like I'm gonna have a productive semester, and it's all thanks to all those tips and things that you placed now so that we are set for success come September. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a like. Let me know in the comments what strategies you tried from this video, and let me know your own strategies and share it with the community here. And if you want to see more from me, make sure to subscribe. I will be returning back consistently, and so you have my word. If you want to see more of my day-to-day life as a student, you can follow me on Instagram at nathan.woo. I'm also on TikTok at itsnathanwoo. That's it for me. I'm gonna go to bed, and the next time I see you guys, I'll be in school. So good luck, guys. Bye.